This imagined machine so powerful they can transform a dense forest into an open field in no time. Steel monsters capable of cutting, moving, and sculpting nature with terrifying precision. Fascinating or disturbing? What if I told you that a single one of these machines has the strength of 100 men? Are you curious to discover how these colossi shape the world? Hold on tight, because what you're about to see might change everything you think you know about the limits of technology. The ROR WRC 1250AC represents the pinnacle of precision in industrial timber harvesting. Specifically designed for high-precision cuts, this technological marvel is equipped with sophisticated hydraulic components that make it remarkably easy to use. One of the major advantages of this machine is that it doesn't require numerous personnel for operation, which significantly reduces operational costs for forestry companies. The machine is equipped with a powerful electric motor that allows the saw and its main pleated tray to be lowered and raised with millimeter precision. The guide columns are equipped with special plastic developed to improve sliding and reduce wear, thus extending the lifespan of components. The major innovation lies in its computerized programming of cutting thickness adjustment, with digital display of actual thickness and log height values. This high-performance bandsaw is capable of transforming entire logs into perfectly calibrated boards in just a few minutes, making the process not only efficient, but also surgically precise. Although these machines represent a significant initial investment, their yield and unmatched precision make them an essential tool for modern forestry operations aiming for excellence. The drum mulcher for mini skid steers. The drum mulcher for mini skid steers gets its name from its characteristic cylindrical shape that immediately resembles a rotating drum. This robust machine is designed to easily attach to a variety of mini skid steers, instantly transforming your standard equipment into a true forest clearing machine. Its impressive power allows it to shred small trees and brush with a simple forward rotary motion, leaving behind only clean, cleared ground. The major technical innovation of this equipment lies in its patented spiral pattern, cleverly modeled after a vacuum brush principle, which provides an exceptionally efficient material flow to the center of the drum. This ingenious design maximizes efficiency while minimizing the risk of clogging, even when facing particularly dense shrubs. The two-speed variable displacement piston motor offers remarkable operational flexibility, allowing the operator to adapt power according to terrain and vegetation density. To ensure its durability in the most extreme conditions, this motor is protected by a low-profile frame that provides both maximum protection and optimal center of gravity. The Diamond Mower Drum Mulcher offers 3 different mulching time options, adapted to the specific requirements of each forestry project, even the most ambitious or difficult ones. Designed to last, this tool represents a substantial investment that quickly pays for itself through its versatility and formidable efficiency in the field. The HEM 593R Cobra. The HEM 593R Cobra completely redefines the standards of forestry chipping by offering an approach where efficiency finally meets ease of use. This impressive machine is capable of effortlessly handling dense brush and trunks up to 22 inches in diameter, making it the tool of choice for the most demanding forestry work in the most difficult conditions. What truly distinguishes the Cobra from its competitors is its revolutionary automatic transmission system that allows the operator to move continuously without interruption, thus maximizing productivity over large forest areas. The user interface has been completely redesigned to make each control intuitive, significantly reducing the learning curve and allowing even less experienced operators to quickly achieve optimal productivity. Thanks to its ingeniously designed centrifugal fan, the machine ensures perfectly uniform distribution of chips on each side, greatly facilitating subsequent collection or allowing faster natural decomposition in the field. For demanding professionals, the Cobra offers a range of optional extras, including specialized professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system that allows operations to continue even in low-light conditions. These combined features elevate the user experience to an unprecedented level in the forestry industry, transforming a once laborious task into an almost enjoyable process. User reports consistently indicate a 30 to 40% increase in productivity compared to conventional machines, while significantly reducing operator fatigue. The Woodcracker L1200. The Woodcracker L1200 stands out as a true superhero among modern forestry machines. This mechanical colossus is capable of handling trees up to 47 inches in diameter, instantly transforming them into perfectly calibrated segments with disconcerting ease. Equipped with a phenomenally powerful hydraulic handle and sharp tungsten carbide steel blades, the Woodcracker L1200 doesn't just make wood cutting efficient, it transforms it into an impressive display of industrial power. The precision of its cuts is such that the segments produced rarely require additional treatment, which significantly reduces the time and costs of further processing. Its advanced hydraulic system allows extremely precise control, even when handling particularly heavy logs or those with irregular shapes. Experienced operators report that with the Woodcracker L1200, once intimidating challenges of felling large trees become almost routine, radically transforming their daily productivity. According to data collected from various operating sites, this machine can process in one day what would normally take an entire week with conventional equipment. Despite its colossal power, the Woodcracker L1200 remains remarkably precise and controllable, minimizing the risk of accidents and reducing the environmental impact of large-scale forestry operations. The John Deere 2154D Limmer Tier 4. Discover the John Deere 2154D, a true forestry master that not only processes wood with remarkable efficiency, but does so with constant concern for the environment. This sophisticated model meets strict Tier 4 environmental standards, establishing a new benchmark for environmentally responsible harvesting in the forestry industry. Its exceptional versatility and ergonomic design make it a tool of choice for the most demanding professionals, combining cutting-edge performance with minimal environmental impact. The most remarkable feature of this machine is undoubtedly its reduced emission system, which significantly decreases the carbon footprint of forestry operations while maintaining unmatched power and efficiency. With its assistance, delimbing becomes a fast and precise process, perfectly preparing logs for transport or further processing without wasting time or resources. Field data shows that this model can increase productivity by 25% while reducing fuel consumption by nearly 15% compared to previous generations. Its intuitive user interface allows operators to quickly achieve complete mastery of the controls, thus maximizing return on investment from the first weeks of use. Beyond its impressive technical performance, the John Deere 2154D represents an important step toward more sustainable forestry, proving that industrial efficiency and respect for the environment can go hand in hand. The DFM Feller Buncher Equipment. The DFM Feller Buncher equipment represents a revolution in the automation of modern forestry operations. When combined with a Deere track loader, a true synergistic combo is created, radically transforming productivity in the field. Thanks to this sophisticated equipment, operations traditionally considered the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive are now executed with unprecedented efficiency and safety. Felling tree trunks and stacking them in orderly bundles, once a source of numerous workplace accidents, become almost routine tasks when entrusted to this machine. One of the major strengths of this technology lies in its versatility in facing different types of soil. Whether compact clay or loose sand, the machine maintains optimal performance without requiring complex adjustments. The operational advantages are numerous and significant. Productivity literally explodes compared to traditional manual work, with reports indicating gains of up to 400% in certain configurations. Its impressive load capacity and all-terrain maneuverability allow effective access and processing even in the most remote or difficult-to-access forest areas. Another major asset is the ease of use and rapid training of new operators, significantly reducing personnel-associated costs and decreasing downtime during team rotations. Field studies have demonstrated that this equipment can reduce operating costs by up to 35%, while increasing the volume of wood processed per day by nearly 60%. The Pony Scorpion King. The Pony Scorpion King presents itself as an exceptional harvester that brilliantly combines cutting-edge technology and extraordinary performance to meet the demands of contemporary forestry operations. Its innovative design and super powerful hydraulic system allow it to adapt to the most challenging forest conditions, where other machines would show their limitations. The Scorpion King's cutting and processing mechanisms achieve a level of precision and efficiency rarely matched in the industry, guaranteeing not only high productivity, but also minimal environmental impact. This machine establishes new standards in the forestry field by offering solutions that are both reliable and highly effective for sustainable timber harvesting. Its unique articulated arm, inspired by the morphology of a scorpion as its name suggests, offers exceptional reach while maintaining perfect stability, even during operations on uneven terrain. The cabin ergonomics have been completely redesigned to offer 360-degree panoramic visibility, allowing the operator to maintain total control over their working environment. Advanced sensors and an onboard computer system analyze the characteristics of each tree in real time to automatically optimize cutting parameters, thus maximizing the value of each trunk. Tests conducted in various forest conditions have demonstrated that the Scorpion King can process up to 40% additional volume per hour compared to conventional harvesters, while reducing fuel consumption by nearly 20%. The 875E Versatile Forwarder. The 875E positions itself as an extremely versatile forwarder, offering two distinct boom options to meet varied needs for loading and handling wood in the most demanding operating conditions. Ergonomics has been placed at the heart of its design, with optimally positioned controls and a large, intuitive touchscreen that significantly improve user comfort and overall operational efficiency. Among the many technical advantages of this model, one can cite easy access for regular maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing the effective availability of the machine in the field. The undercarriage components have been completely redesigned to offer exceptional reliability, even after thousands of hours of use in particularly hostile forest environments. The hydraulic circuits have received particular attention, achieving levels of energy efficiency never before seen in this category of equipment. The result of these innovations translates into remarkably high productivity, maximum availability, and energy efficiency that significantly reduces long-term operating costs. The undercarriage has been specifically designed and built to withstand the rigors of continuous, intensive use, thus ensuring exceptional longevity even in the most demanding conditions. The new Plant Max X 2 planting unit. After a long period of development, rigorous testing, and meticulously planned transport, the new Plant Max X 2 planting unit is finally operational and ready to revolutionize the reforestation sector. In close collaboration with specialized partners from TimberPlant, the Plant Ma Forestry team has meticulously tested and successfully demonstrated the exceptional capabilities of this machine on various plantations, notably pine and eucalyptus. These thorough trials have highlighted the remarkable qualities of this planting unit, which clearly stands out from conventional technologies. The technical specifications and operational capabilities of this innovative machine differ considerably from anything Plant Ma Forestry had designed until now, thus marking a true break with traditional approaches. The test results are unanimous. This revolutionary technology has the potential to completely change the game in the field of mechanized planting, offering unprecedented gains in productivity and precision. The Plant Max X2 is capable of planting up to 3,000 trees per day with millimeter spacing precision, thus ensuring optimal development of future forests. Its automatic plant supply system and controlled soil insertion mechanism significantly reduce planting failure rates, achieving success rates exceeding 95% even in difficult conditions. The programming interface makes it easy to adapt planting parameters according to tree species and specific terrain characteristics, offering unmatched flexibility to forest managers. The Wagner L60 and L90 models. The Wagner L60 and L90 models represent the pinnacle of forestry engineering when it comes to operating in non-developed and particularly muddy terrain. These two robust models are equipped with 4 powerful drive wheels that give them exceptional traction even in the most demanding conditions. Their impressive load capacity, ranging from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds, depending on configurations, makes them tools of choice for large-scale forestry operations. The oscillating rear axle represents a major technical innovation, allowing optimal grip of all wheels, even on extremely irregular terrain. One of the major assets of these machines lies in their minimal offset center of gravity that remains directly positioned behind the load, thus offering superior stability without compromising power during turning maneuvers. This unique characteristic functionally brings them closer to a large wheel loader while retaining the specific advantages of a specialized forestry transporter. A considerable advantage of these models is the possibility of disengaging the rear axle when seasonal soil conditions improve, thus significantly reducing wear on mechanical components and improving fuel economy. Comparative tests have demonstrated that this functionality allows fuel consumption to be reduced by up to 25% in favorable conditions, while extending the lifespan of tires and axles by nearly 40%. The unique combination of power, stability, and energy efficiency makes the Wagner L60 and L90 models particularly judicious investments for forestry companies concerned with maximizing their productivity while controlling their operating costs. To conclude this fascinating exploration of the mechanical titans transforming the forestry industry, we have discovered how these 10 extraordinary machines redefine the limits of what's possible in timber harvesting and processing. These machines are not only impressive for their power, but also for their ability to transform once dangerous and laborious tasks into safe and precise operations. Don't forget to subscribe to discover other technological wonders that shape our modern world.